Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we have got an ATV. Well, this Fastlane ATV, it does say on the underside the Early Learning Centre, so I'm not 100% sure if it is what I think it is, but there is similar ones out there which look the same. So you may be wondering, again, Liam, why have you got a toy on your channel? Well, back when I was growing up, I actually had one of these, and it was well, reasonably quite fun and so on. So, a little backstory behind the purchase of this one. I happened to come across on Facebook Marketplace a 1/5 scale RC Hummer, which I was going to purchase to fit on the 1/5 scale rock crawler, but the guy wanted 100 and I think it was 180 or so pounds for it. I thought that's way too much just for something I'm going to rip the body shell out of. So I ended up looking on eBay. I didn't find that RC Hummer at all anywhere online. So in my search I ended up finding, well, the brand it was like I said, it was Fastlane. So I just searched Fastlane and this came up. They also, this happened to be up for, I want to say, about £4 or £5. And then there was a couple, I think it was £3 postage, so I ended up paying under £8 for it, which is not bad because considering I bought it without a controller. So there was no controller with this, and I thought, you know what, if I was going to buy it anyway, I'm going to upgrade it to proportional. So yeah. The other one, which was for sale, was actually licensed by Suzuki, but they wanted about 60 quid for it. I thought, this isn't that bad. So what I've done it off camera, but it's now running WPL parts. So it's got a 9-gram servo for the steering, and it's got its original motor just using the WPL controller board, which currently the battery in it is a little bit flat. But I believe it's got like a, I want to say 270 or 370 size motor in it. So it should be it should be quite rapid, coming to think about it. Like I said, it's currently got a dead battery, so it doesn't really launch very well on the table. So I'm gonna charge up a battery, or two in this case, and take it to the woods. See how capable it is, because I'm thinking it is 2-wheel drive, but unlike a lot of toys where it's 2-wheel drive, like the monster truck, it's actually locked 2-wheel drive. So take it running, and then I need to find something, maybe a WL Toys buggy chassis or something underneath it would be kind of cool. I don't know yet. I kind of like it. It's retro, and you know me, I love retro. So yeah, here's the running footage.